Every generation is defined by the tools it uses. And right now, we are living in the age of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer an experiment. It's shaping how we work, how we think, and how we create. For creators, this shift is not just exciting, it's revolutionary. Because today, ideas can become visuals in seconds. And for faceless creators like me, this changes everything. Because traditional video editing can be slow, technical, and exhausting. Long nights, endless timelines, and creativity trapped behind complexity. But what if all you needed was an idea and a few words? This is where Higgsfield enters the story. One of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms, with access to world-class models like Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, WAN 2.5, and more. From the first frame to the final cut. You simply pick a model, write a concept, and watch it become a real video. No cameras, no actors, no complicated setups. Done these things on Hummings to allowing the language, powered by Higgsfield AI. You type the vision. Higgsfield delivers the visuals. That simplicity is powerful. Every frame calculated with precision. Filmmaking, from that English energy, aligns modern filmmaking looks like. It is the most definitive filmmaking looks like. Clean, smooth, professional. And the best part, you never have to show your face. That freedom
is priceless.
Whether you're into tech, education, storytelling, or business, Higgsfield adapts to your vision. Higgsfield doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. From idea to export in minutes. And when you see the final result, you feel it. Everything you've just watched, every scene, every frame, was created using Higgsfield AI. I don't just talk about tools, I build with them. If you want to experience this yourself, I've added my link and exclusive promo code in the description.